Racing. Jesse started with a scramble in front position, moving up on the outside. Windstorm Zahib is running by the rail in the middle portion. Now is a high octane head on the outside. Now is security inside and going along for the first turn with the quick is striding Windstorm on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Right behind in second is Sahib. High Octane is racing in third. Down in fourth now is Security inside. Next in line is a Brown Pirate. Running by the rail is a Pool Combat Order, then followed now by Kabumba. Then moving up now on the outside is Shining Thunder. Then next in line, running by the rail is Unforgettable. Work from Home racing second last, while Make a Difference is racing in last 400 meters of the race. The lead now belongs to number 6, High Octane. This time with a breakaway run by about 4 lengths. Moving up to take second now is a Pool Combat Order, and on the outside is a Brown Pirate. And down the stretch they come. We have High Octane this time by about 3 lengths. Followed now by Brown Pirate. Running by there is a Pool Combat Order. And finally it's High Octane. Brown Pirate, Pool Combat Order, kaboom. Then comes Unforgettable.
Okay, it happens a bit of favor.